Typically, reports in Eclipse are run once, but you may wish to schedule a report to run automatically. For example, your detailed invoice GP% report, which should be scheduled daily. First, access the report you would like to schedule. The detailed invoice GP% report is usually located in the F3 Orders menu, then select Reports. Now fill in the fields of the report as specified in the Eclipse SOPs. In this example, we are demonstrating the detailed GP% report. But remember, any report in Eclipse can be scheduled.
In our example, we have set up the report. Notice the start and end dates. They are the same, indicating we are running the report just for the day specified. That means the report is not being scheduled. To schedule a report, we must use the processes of variable dating and scheduling. Variable dating allows you to specify the range of days we want to include in our report. For example, if we are planning on running our GP percentage report daily and just for today's transaction, we would set up our parameters as shown. The format, rather than using actual dates, specifies that for any month, MO, and for any year, YR, the report will be run as it is scheduled. The day, DA, parameter is more interesting. It allows us to specify our range. In the example, we have entered DA. This means just today. We could have entered 0, indicating there is no range, just today. But had we wanted to run our report once a week, not likely in the case of the GP percentage, we could have specified the DA entry as -6, indicating we want to include today and the preceding 6 days. There are more options available with variable dating. To see them, press F11. In the search field located in the top right-hand corner, enter variable dating and click Go. Then click Go on the left-hand panel. If the search argument variable dating is not displayed, you will need to re-enter it. The message loading data, please wait, will display. If you don't see loading data, try Internet Explorer. From the list in the left-hand panel, select Using Variable Dating. The help screen elaborates on your variable dating options. So that is variable dating. Once the dates and other fields have been established, it remains for us to schedule and determine who gets the report and how.
Once all fields have been completed, we now need to schedule the report to run at a specified date and time. Scheduling is accessed in the Options menu, so to press Alt-O Options and then select Scheduling. In the title field, give the report a name that will help you identify the report later in the Phantom status screen. This will be explained at the end of this clip. Let's name this report BR12 Detailed GP Report. Now specify a start time. It is best to run reports late at night when the system demands are low. Let's enter 11:30 p.m. Enter through the start date and to the expire date. If you want to expire the report automatically, you can specify a date, but to run indefinitely, leave blank. Enter to the reschedule fields. This is where you tell Eclipse when you want to repeat a report, which can be daily, monthly, etc. But we want this report to run Monday through Friday, so enter any character in the parentheses next to the day of the week and press Enter. You will see it change to an asterisk. Do this for each day. When done, press Escape. Now, if you just want that report to go to you and only to your whole file, you can press Alt-H and the report will run as specified. But typically, we want reports to go to more people, and we can also email or fax the report in addition to sending to your whole file. So let's do that. Press Alt-O Option. To email the report, select Email. This opens the standard Eclipse email form. You can use the Alt-D distribution list and specify multiple email addresses. It is a good idea to enter a subject so everyone knows what the email is when it arrives. Press Escape when done. If you want to fax the report or send to other users Eclipse whole files, press the Alt-O options again and set up as needed. Once we have the report set up, press Alt-H and the report is scheduled. If you need to change the report's run date or time or maybe delete the report, this is done in the Phantom Status menu, typically in your F2 Systems menu. If you did not have Phantom Status in your menus, contact your branch manager, district ops manager, or system administrator. Select F2 System, then Phantom Status. Now press Alt-E Schedule to see just the reports you created. From this screen, you can modify the start times, change repeat days, etc. by pressing the Alt-E Edit hotkey. You can change the whole files that the report forwards to by depressing Alt-F forward. You can delete the report completely by depressing Alt-D Delete. Unfortunately, that is about all you can change in the Phantom Status screen. You cannot alter what is on the report in any way. If you make a mistake in setting up the data you want reported, the only option is to delete the report and start over. That concludes scheduling reports.